everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm very excited to show you one of our arrivals for 2026, which is the Hymer MLT 580 Crosstrail. So we'll do the usual, we'll take you through all the specification on the outside and give you a look inside just so you can see how truly premium this vehicle is. So we are built on the Mercedes chassis. It's 190 brake horsepower. It is a permanent all-wheel drive, so it is well suited to driving off terrain or basically any driving environment. So jumping into a bit of the specification, we've got our LED daytime running headlights at the front. We've got the LED light bar just above that as well. We've got our 18-inch alloys with your all-terrain tyres and your studs. Making our way around to the side then, we've got our barbecue point, your hookups over at this side, you've got your full administrator awning and your garage. So this is operated by central locking. You've got huge storage in there as well. You've got your shower point in the garage as well. To the back of the Crosstrail, we have our roof bars. We've got our spur wheel on the back, and you've also got your reverse camera. So we've got access to the garage at the other side. Our gas bottles are kept in here. Now there is two 95 amp solar panels on the roof. And as well as this, we've also got 4 lithium-ion leisure batteries. So you are really well kitted out for off-grid, thanks to the Hymer smart battery system. So our Crosstrail is 3 berth with 4 seat belts. It's 4,100 kg and it also measures in at 7.13 metres in length and 2.22 wide. Let me tell you, the heated steering wheel and the heated seats are definitely needed for today. But while we're here, we'll talk through a bit of the spec that's in the front. So we've got our heated steering wheel, obviously, with the adaptive cruise control built into that. You've got your auto lights and your auto wipers. You've got your MBUX infotainment system with all your gadgets built in there. And you've also got your climate control, which is automatic. So into our lounge area, this is where our 3rd and our 4th seatbelt is. This table also drops down and makes into an extra berth. We're finished off in the full leather upholstery. Now that is in the driver and the passenger seat as well, where we've got our 2 captain swivel chairs. We've got our Alphatronics smart TV, and we've also got built-in Wi-Fi. Over here is where the control panels are situated. So we've got our Trima diesel and electric heating system as well as our inverter. This is the kitchen area. So we've got a water filter in our tap, which is built into the wall. You've got a lovely tiling effect behind that. You've plenty of storage. So you have 3 huge cupboards here, and you've also got a 3-ring gas burner. Over to the front, we've got our panoramic sky view. So we do have our ambient lighting and we'll have our panoramic sky view to let all the light come in. To the right is our Thetford fridge. So you've got a full-size fridge there with a fairly big freezer box. You have storage just above that. You've got your Truma Aventa aircon with this particular vehicle. We've got a full-size wardrobe too with a full hanging rail. And then behind me is our single bed layout. So of course you've got the huge garage underneath that. Now it is made up into a double bed with your extra infill here. So you can take that out and leave it as 2 singles, or you can make it into a huge double bed at the back. Into our bathroom then. So I mean, just despite the van being over 7 meters in length, you do have a pretty spacious bathroom. So I guess you could call it a separate shower and toilet, because you've got your rails and this closes off the shower altogether. Your toilet is just here at the other side and your sink's beside that, so you do have a lovely space for getting ready in the evening or the morning. So guys, that is a walk through our Hymer Crosstrail. If you'd like to call down to view the vehicle, please give us a call on 028 92 693 999, or you can send me an email, charlotte@thompsonleisure.com.